Although I know at my age it's hard to really get rid of all of it because then I'm afraid I'll hood, which we don't want. What else bothers?
I think maybe it's time for dose adjustment with the growth marks. If we had seen you, did we not talk about that? We did, right?
For what?
See Laura again, just push your brows together and then raise them up as hard as you can and then smile.
Okay, what I don't like is my sun damage coming out.
Okay.
That bums me out. What else? I mean, I don't know.
I mean, I can give you my opinion.
Yes.
Sure. Yeah. I mean, I think you just try. I mean, when you're able to, either going down to the 0.025, using it 3 nights a week.
Yeah, because I'm doing the 0.5 at 2 nights a week.
Yeah.
Right.
But to me, I'd rather my patients use the lower dose more frequently and have no irritation. I know this cleanser.
What is it?
It's a super organic, like very clean this cleanser called Citrus Burst, which, to be honest, I sort of did not pay much attention to, and then I used it like a couple of months ago, and especially when it's warm outside or like spring is around the corner, kind of.
Yeah, it smells like summer or spring. Spring.
Deep spring.
It's like, you look good. I'm like, thanks.
That's so
You're aging so well. I'm like, aren't I?
magic.
No, I'm like, oh.
Just reading your skin.
I was like, oh good, because this doesn't hurt.
Alright, good. So, turn a little bit more. Sometimes it's not true. Every time you do an Ultherapy, pulls your baseline back a little bit, and you age from a new point, essentially. So, sometimes, if it's been a little while, and especially if you're considering surgery, I recommend doing 2 Ulthera in 1 year. So doing one like now and doing another in 3 to 6 months, because then there's an abundance of brand new collagen and elastin that we can work off of. But your skin is definitely very healthy, and you take very good care of it, and so all of that definitely will